one interesting aspect this time round is that this is a very, very high profile phase of the elections. Several top leaders are contesting. For example, Himanta Biswa Sharma is contesting the Jalukbari seat for the 6th time. Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma is contesting the Jalukbari seat for the 6th time. And if we go into the Kokrajhar East seat, BPF leader Pramila Rani Brahma is contesting the Kokrajhar East seat for the 7th time. 6th time Himanta Biswa Sharma, Pramila Rani Brahma, Kokrajhar East, 7th time. Then again, if we go to Dharmapur constituency, BJP's Chandra Mohan Patwari is fighting from this seat for a record 8th time, viewers. 8th time. That means he has been a legislator for 35 to 40 years. That is the rough calculation that we can easily make. Chandramohan Patwari record 8th time. Guwahati East, Siddharth Bhattacharjee is contesting the seat for the 3rd time in Guwahati East. And if you go into Guwahati West, Ramendra Narayan Kalita is contesting the seat for the 6th time. 6th time. In Bongaigaon, Fani Bhushan Chaudhary is contesting the seat for the 8th time again. No joke, viewers. 8th time he is contesting the seat. And if you go to Sidli, Chandan Brahma is fighting for the 4th time. And if you go to Patachar Kuchi, BJP candidate Ranjit Das is contesting Patachar Kuchi for the 1st time. He was earlier contested Sorbhug seat twice. He has moved to Patachar Kuchi for the 1st time this time around, as I have said. And if you go to Soru Khetri, is another interesting constituency where AGP candidate singer Kalpana Patwari contesting the seat for the 1st time. This is her debut election. And if you go to Dispur, Atul Bora Senior has won this seat 4 times already as a AGP candidate and also as an independent, fighting on a BJP ticket this time. Chapaguri, Sahitya Academy winner and former UPPL working president UG Brahma is fighting from this seat.